Hey everyone, again we're doing exercise 4.18. However, this time around we're doing it from student A's perspective. I hope everyone can see, as you guys can see on the screen, I've already created a class called exercise 4.18C, and I've created my scanner. I've prompted my user to enter 2 characters. Okay, now it's time to get to the core of this program exercise. You know what? I did not let other people check out the question itself. I don't want to assume that people have watched my previous solution on this exercise. So that's why I've got to go write a program that prompts the user to enter a year and the first 3 letters of a month name. Okay, with the first letter. No, we're actually doing 4.18. Damn, we did that exercise. So here is it right here. So it's a student major and status. That's what we're going to be working with. So we got to write a program that prompts the user to enter 2 characters and displays the major and the status represented in the characters. The first character indicates the major and the second is the number character 1, 2, 3, 4, which indicates whether a student is a freshman, sophomore, junior, or a senior. Suppose the following are used to denote the majors. Okay, everything is clear here. There's literally nothing to explain. Okay, so here's what I'll do. If you watched my previous solution, what we did is we basically took care of all different combinations of 2 characters, right? Of course, valid characters, right? That includes MCI and numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? Okay, we're gonna tackle it differently this time around. We got to take advantage of what we know. We gotta take advantage of methods given in the string class. So the very first thing we'll do, we'll simply we'll check whether or not our user input has a correct number of characters. Okay, we'll simply go characters.length, not character, it's characters.length. We'll check if there is equals to 2. That's the first thing we'll do. If that is the case, let me just take care of that first. System.out.print. I can simply go characters is invalid. Should I put it like that? Or I can simply go invalid input. Valid input, not I put input. Okay, I get rid of that. Okay, now that we do know that we have our character has 2 characters, our string has 2 characters, the very first thing we want to do, we want to validate the first one. Okay, so that should validate the first one and that should validate the second one. Okay, we gotta make sure that here's what I can simply do. Characters. Oh, let me put a 1 there. Character 1, characters.char at 0. I want to have character 1 in character 2. Okay. Character 1 in character 2. Okay. Okay. What I want to do is to check if character 1 is equals to M, or character 1 is equals to MC. Those are the characters we working with. Lastly, I'm checking if character 1 is equals to I, and there's a huge end here, and this part here takes care of our first character. Now let's take care of our second character. Character 2. If character 2 is that, or character 2 is that, or character 2 is that, oh damn, I've got to put a 2 over there. Lastly, I'm checking if character 2 is that. You see, this is the problem with copying and pasting. You sometimes forget things. You see, I almost forgot. I almost left that as character 1 instead of character 2. Okay, if this is the case, then we know that we have a valid input. Okay, so what I'll now do is I'll simply go. You can play around with this however you like, folks. So let me just use a switch statement and put character 1. So these are the cases we're gonna have. M, break, not in caps, case M, case C, break, defaults. Okay, so we'll simply go what we can do is we can avoid having a system.out.print. We can avoid having a variable to hold that. We can simply go mathematics and the space. You don't necessarily need a variable to hold that, right? Computer science. I used to think of computer science as something else, a gigantic thing to deal with. Turns out it's a doable course, so everyone can do it. Anyways, okay, what I want to type now, I want to go information technology. Okay, we're done. Again, I'm gonna do my switch statement. Switch. I'll simply put character 2 here. Character 2. That will have case 1. Break. I'm just doing this thing off the top of my head, people. It's not like I'm taking this from anywhere. It's not like I knew it first. What is it? It's not like I knew it first. What is it? I will type defaults. Done. Okay. So what I will then do is to go system.out.print. Why is that so hard? Okay. Freshman, right? Freshman. So for am I right? I hope I am. So 2 corresponds to so for more. Good. I want to display junior now. Junior. And then lastly, I'll display senior. Okay. Once I'm done with this, what else is left to do? Okay, I know this. I know I'm good. My thing works as expected. If that get executed, oh, blah 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 blah. Where is the opening bracket for that? Oh, it's right here. Again, perhaps I've got to put invalid output there. Okay, now let's try to hit the run button and see what we get. Let's try something like M1. Mathematics C now. That's so stupid of me. Okay, we good in a way that. Okay, we're good for the first part. Now the second part. I decided to input 1. Oh, again with mistype. I know, even though I haven't seen it, that. Okay, so character 2 has index 1. Okay. I mean, character 2 used index 1, and here I have decided do case. Oh, you see, that was so stupid of me. This is where I made a mistake. These they supposed to be inside single bracket. No wonder I got it wrong. Again, I'm going to put M1 for the second time. M1. Gotcha now. Not gonna mess with me for the second time. Now let's try something like can't even think of anything. So C3. Boom. Why C3 is junior? Oh yeah, C3 is indeed junior. That should be it for this tutorial, you guys. See you on the next one.